Hello guys, in this video you are going to learn about inheritance concept in Java programming language. Well, what is inheritance? It is a concept from object oriented programming where it is used to inherit the properties from the parent class. Let's see how this works in real life. For example, let's consider our parents where we are inheriting their properties like their genes, right? In the same way, this is going to work like that. Let's take an example. Firstly, I'm creating a main class where public static void main string args. Okay, let's keep this method aside. Let's take an example that a college consists of students and staff, right? So these students and staff share some common properties like name and their ID. So let's create a class which consists of their name and their ID. Okay, so let's keep this like this, and I am going to create a constructor which will take the name and ID as the parameters. So string name comma integer ID, and now with the help of this constructor I am assigning these names. Okay, this dot id equal to id. Okay, now let me create the child classes which are staff, and there is another child class which is student. Okay, so here what happens is this staff class should inherit this person class. So I need to use the keyword extends person. So this means that staff should inherit the properties from the person class, so that we are using this extends keyword. At the same time, we are using the same thing with another class. Okay, now what happens is, let me create a constructor here, staff, which will take the name string name, and here I am going to call the super method. Okay, super method is nothing but a type of method which helps you to call your parent class constructor. Okay, here what happens is this super method is going to call this constructor from this parent class. Okay, here I need to give the name and id. I forget to take the parameter id, so integer id. Okay, so these two will be taken as parameters and sent to this constructor, and this constructor will store them in these variables. Okay, the same thing I am going to do with the student method also, sorry, student class also. So I am writing here like this. Okay, now let me write a method here, void staff method. So with the help of this method, it is going to say that system dot out dot println I am, okay, plus name plus and my id is gap space id. Okay, the same thing I am going to do with student class also. Okay, here I am changing the method name. You can do it anything. The method names can be same. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now let's create a class. Create an object. I'm creating staff object where s equal to new staff. Here I'm giving the name Shali, and comma I'm giving the id which is 21. Now I'm going to call s dot method. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm sorry, I forget to keep semicolon here. Okay, now let's run. So here you can see that we have got the output. I am Shali and my ID is 21. Okay, so here you can see that. Okay. So what's the big deal of using this inheritance concept? It is because we can write all the common properties in the same class and we can inherit them whenever we want. Okay, so there is no need to write this string name and string ID, all this thing again and again in every class. So this is the main advantage of using inheritance. Thank you.